Differences between electrical and chemical synapse is a very important exam viva question. So what are these? Electrical synapse is basically the junction between two neurons where the presynaptic membrane and postsynaptic membrane are connected by means of gap junctions, and there is very small space between the regions where they are not connected. It is approximately 3 nanometers. So because of the gap junctions, the impulse can transmit directly from the presynaptic neuron to the postsynaptic neuron, and also in the opposite direction, that is from the postsynaptic neuron to the presynaptic neuron. As there is direct transmission of the ions, hence this electrical synapse is much faster for conduction. On the other hand, in chemical synapse, there is a little bit more space between the presynaptic neuron and the postsynaptic neuron of approximately 30 nanometers. And for this, the transmission to occur, there is a release of chemicals from the presynaptic neuron. These chemicals are in vesicles. They are released in the synaptic space, that is at 30 nanometer I told. So that chemicals then diffuses into the postsynaptic membrane, binds to its receptor, there is opening of channels, and this causes change in potential. So the transmission occurs only from the presynaptic neuron to the postsynaptic neuron, and since chemicals are involved, this transmission is much slower. Now you tell me in the comments that if chemical transmission is much slower than the electrical transmission, then why is that? Our body has more chemical synapses as compared to the electrical synapses.